getting the gist of everything, hopefully. Tangent of 5 pi over 8. In this case, tangent of 5 pi over 8. So the tangent formula, we have kind of like some options, right? We could use 1 minus cosine of u divided by sine of u, or sine of u divided by 1 plus cosine of u. In my personal opinion, I always like to keep the one trigonometric function in the denominator. To me, that kind of seems like it makes things a little bit easier. So if I have the tangent of u divided by 2 equals 1 minus cosine of u over sine of u. That is going to be the preferred thing. Now, again, we still have u, and we got to figure out what u is. Well, again, if this is u divided by 2, therefore u is going to equal 5 pi over 4, right? Same thing we did right over there. Now, we have to do the cosine and the sine here. Well, that's kind of interesting. They're both negative, right? Because this is in the third quadrant. So Parker, all I simply do now is just plug those in. And then, guys, we can just go ahead and kind of simplify this a little bit. We can multiply everything on the top by 2 over 2. And in this case, make sure you distribute, though. That's another big mistake students forget. So therefore, we have 2 plus the square root of 2 all over negative square root of 2. I could throw this negative out in front, but I'll just now. The next thing is we want to get rid of the radicals in the denominator. So I could rationalize the denominator on the top and the bottom. Make sure, again, you apply distributive property. So therefore, I have 2 radical 2 plus 2 minus 2. And then, guys, does this negative 2, could we divide this into both of those terms? Of course we could. So therefore, this is negative square root of 2 minus 1. Please check my algebra, because that's where everybody makes mistakes. It's not plugging it into the formula. You guys are like, oh, plugging into the formula is easy.